This 2024 Keystone Cougar half-ton East 25 RDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, skylight, air conditioning, awning, TV, microwave, slide-out, auxiliary battery, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Cougar half-ton East 25 RDS is 6,419 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.